This is a review for the Vortex Vent Fan. So we purchased this vent fan because we wanted to upgrade the one that our travel trailer came with. We wanted something that was going to move the air really well throughout the unit, and this one seemed like the best option. So this is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. It comes with the fan, it comes with everything you need to install it. You really just need the tools, like a drill, things like that. I really like that this fan, you can, change the airflow direction, you can change the speed. There's just a lot of different uses for it. I will say we especially liked this fan because you didn't have to remove the roof vent when installing it on our Winnebago. We could just replace it where the old fan was. So that was a huge pro for this one. The installation was pretty simple. Once you get the old fan out, you obviously want to make sure it's going to fit in this space. We snipped both of the wires with wire cutters, and we then connected them with wire nuts. The only tricky part was getting the wires to lay nicely in the fan when you installed it. We used some electrical tape for this, but as long as you make sure you measure your current fan, it should just slide right up in there. One thing to know is you really do need a long screwdriver to be able to get the screws up there. This entire process took us about 25-30 minutes to uninstall the old fan and then install this new one. The trickiest part was the wiring. You just want to be careful with that. Overall, this fan is such a huge upgrade from our previous one. It's quiet, it works great, we really like it.